Hey YouTube, it's PokeChase here with another Pokemon unboxing, and today will be another Trade Me unboxing, I believe. I don't want to turn this around because it has my address on it, but we're going to get straight into this. I can't remember exactly what this auction is. Oh yes, now I remember. Okay. So they've got this on here pretty tight. And I may need to get my knife for this one. Alright, here we go. Without damaging the card. So they've got this one pretty tight. Here we go. Oh, more cutting. Get this from the side. They've taped these on pretty good. Alright. So I won this auction for 12 New Zealand dollars including postage. And it's your job to tell me whether or not this purchase was worth it. Alright, first card, we have a full art Emolga EX. Second card, full art Terrakion. And our third and final card is the full art Tornadus. So I bought these three cards for $12. That's $12 for all three including postage. I'll put the link of the auction in the description below. And also check out our subscriber giveaway at 100 subs. We'll be giving away 30 online code cards. All you need to do is be one of the first 100 subscribers and you're into the draw. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe and share. This is another Trade Me unboxing. This is PokeChase out.